Hello and welcome back, finally, to my channel. For my first video back in my new fancy room, which you cannot see because it's hiding, basically, and my new vanity, which is very fun. I'm going to do some asymmetrical pink and blue. I did this look on my Instagram, so go check it out. Faces by Molly, same as here. And we're going to do some just fun asymmetrical makeup. Let's get to it.
Start by priming where you're going to put product. I used my Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer from First Aid Beauty. For the first eyeshadow today, I'm using a matte blue from my Top Beauty Starry Sky palette and packing that in a nice winged shape all over my eyelid. Don't forget to blend it out to make it look nice and smoky. Use this blue for the lower lash line of your other eye. From my Colourpop Build Your Own palette, I'm using the big 3 and using my finger to pack that into the inner third of my eyelid. The other color of eyeshadow I'm using today is this matte pink from my Top Beauty Starry Sky palette, and trying to mimic the shape we made on the other eye. Again, don't forget to blend it out. We want it very nice and smoky. Add this pink that we were just using to the lower lash line of the other eye. Now I'm taking Solstice with the Mostest from my Colourpop Build Your Own palette, again taking my finger and packing that into the inner third. For mascara, I took my Unlimited mascara and just popped that on the lashes. And don't forget to add in your eyebrows. For lips today, I took my Stay Glossy lip gloss from Rimmel London and added some shine. And for highlight, I went back in with the big 3 from my Colourpop palette and just added that everywhere where the sun would hit.
And there we have it, a very Harley Quinn, but kind of also Sleeping Beauty-esque look, because I felt like this would be kind of fun to do. If you want to see the first time I tried it, the pictures of it are on my Instagram that I plugged at the beginning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!